Alright, we've made it. Sheraton. We checked in our bags. We're gonna go find the casino now. What are you looking at there? Ooh, nice. I got an idea. Let's grab some water. Right here. Oh, look at this. Look at the decorations in here. The decor. All the fish. All the fish.
Are those fishes?
It looks like fish. So it looks like fish, but it's actually wood. Right when you enter in the Sheraton, the casino is on the left-hand side of the check-in. Check this out. Casino, casino. All right, here we go. Well, that's the entrance. Let's do counterclockwise here. We got all the games that we've been playing. No smoking in here. No cigarettes. Lightning link. Grand Legends. Oh, I'm gonna play some of that in a bit. There's your Dragon Links. Fortune Pots. Make your choice. Dancing Drums Towers. Ultimate Fast Cash. A nice bank of Dragon Links. What's over here? Rising Nishiki, Rising Koi, Lucky Hog. There's your Dragon Links. Oh, they got a bunch of table games. And your sports book on the left-hand side. Oh, this casino is pretty big. It goes way back there. It has high limit area as well. There's a stage here. I'm trying not to walk by the table games. You have 3 reels. Let's walk on the other side first and then loop back around the other way. Mo Mummy. They have electronic roulette. And I also saw on the front the NFL game I passed by. And let's take a look over here. Firecrackers. They have an Ultra Boost Link. Interesting. And what are these? Older games selection. They have New Phoenix Links. They have a good selection of games here. Old games, the new games, Lightning Links, Crazy Chicken. Oh, this looks interesting. Lightning Links, Super Links. Buffalo and Friends. It's a big difference from what we were playing on the cruise ship. There was a lot of just not a big selection on the cruise ship. Now we're over here. I'm like, wow, it's like Disneyland. Ooh. Money Gong, IGT, very hard game to get a bonus on, in my opinion. Triple Shot. Ooh, is this Ainsworth? It is Ainsworth. I got Ainsworth games here. Nice. I gotta play some Ainsworth games. What is this? Gong Cash Dragon. Oh man, they have a bunch of Ainsworth games here. Nice. Oh, quad shot. Wolf Peak. Oh, they have the Regal Riches too. Ooh, they got everything here. And they should have had this selection on a cruise. Quick Hits. They also have these Fortune Harmony. Jackpot Carnival, Triple Treasure Pot. I saw a craps table here in the pictures. I don't see it right now. Maybe it's probably in the back. Let's go back over here. Oh, there's a craps table. Nice. Cool. Poker games. Wheel of Prosperity. Let's just walk all the way down this aisle first. Fa, fa, fa. Wow. A Dragon Trio. Alright, what's over here? Restrooms over here, and then they have a restaurant over here at the end. I don't know what it's called. They have a lot of these 88 Fortune games though. Buffalo, Triple Power. And then there's the high limit area. Let's see if I can walk in here. High limit, Dragon Link, Lightning Link, NFL, Buffalo, Black Diamond, Gems, Sun Moon. All right. Cashier, Players Club on the left hand side. Great selection here. That's all I gotta say. A lot of good stuff. Kicking ass. Kicking ass. Let me take a picture of this. Kicking ass. How are you, sir? Kicking ass. Kicking riches. Diamond Mania. I hope the copyright music doesn't get in the way. I'll have to take it out. But this is Casino Metro. They have a lot of selection here. Like a lot.
Older games.
They have like Ainsworth. They have like everything. Yeah, this is nice. They have a craps table. Do you see how much a craps table is?
I haven't seen that.
It's over there on the right. Black Diamond. Oh man, everything's here. Oh, there's a bar in the middle too. Let's check out the bar. It's nice. And that's your casino walking tour, everybody. We're gonna go get a player's card and play some games. We're gonna try this out. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you can watch our next episode. $5? Oh man. Want to go get a player's card? You look how happy she is.
We have to submit our social security number
Oh.
to get a player's card.
Okay, we're not doing it then.
We can if we want to.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. We're gonna go play.